The new Vitodens 100 range of gas condensing boilers offers unrivaled simplicity and convenience for everyone. The range of wall-mounted boilers is ideally suited to all residential properties, with outputs from 3.2 to 32 kilowatts. The new design blends harmoniously into living spaces. The range is now web-enabled thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi interface, which offers convenient and efficient operation plus further digital services from a handheld device. The boiler is certified for efficient operation with natural gas mixed with 20% hydrogen, the fuel of the future. The new Vitodens 100 range offers advanced components and future-proof features. The special stainless steel matrix surface of the Matrix Plus burner is insensitive to high temperatures, ensuring reliable performance and a long service life. The fully automatic Lambda Pro combustion controller adapts automatically to all gas types and ensures continuously clean and highly efficient combustion. It is certified for operation with up to a 20% hydrogen blend. The heart of the boiler is the corrosion-resistant stainless steel inox radial heat exchanger that efficiently converts 98% of the energy used into heat. The self-cleaning effect guarantees high condensation performance even over a long working life. The new Vitodens 100 range has a modulation ratio of up to 1 to 10. This allows the burner to follow exactly the changing heat loads of the building. This high modulation range results in lower bills from energy savings, lower emissions, and a longer product life. The new boiler design in Vito Pearl White color and the ultra-flat front panel integrate seamlessly into living spaces. The new electronic control platform has a detailed LCD touchscreen display, distinguished by its very simple and intuitive operation and discrete black panel visual design. The new electronic platform is equipped with an integrated Wi-Fi interface. This connects the heating system directly to the internet, if required. The new electronic platform enables new digital services, such as the VCare app. With its user-friendly operation, VCare allows the homeowner to control their heating system and to connect to their preferred heating professional. For partners, there is Vito Guide, which provides an easy commissioning option for new heating systems, as well as remote monitoring, control, and servicing tools. The VCare app is simple and intuitive to use and makes operating the heating system easy for the homeowner. It provides information on the current operating status of the system and allows quick control of time programs for heating and hot water, thereby facilitating energy cost savings. Most importantly, it enables the system to be directly connected to a Viessmann-trained installer who can remotely monitor the heating for added peace of mind. Vito Guide works on any device, anywhere, and at any time. With the iOS or Android app, you can commission a new system, add smart devices, and find spare parts. Vito Guide allows trained installers to remotely monitor, control, and maintain their customers' heating systems, delivering the highest customer service and increasing operational efficiency. The new Vitodens 100 series is Band A for efficiency. The combination of Vitodens 100 and the load-compensated VCare thermostat meets Boiler Plus legislation without the need for third-party controls. Adding an advanced Vitotrol 200E remote control will maximize weather compensation by using room influence. Now let's discover the various product variants of the new Vitodens 100 range. Vitodens 100W. The wall-mounted gas condensing range is available as either a combi or system boiler. Vitodens 111W. The wall-mounted gas condensing boiler with integral 46-litre stainless steel storage cylinder for a high level of hot water comfort and convenience. The new Vitodens 100 range. Unrivaled simplicity and convenience for all.